Hello, how are you doing? My name is Muhammad Daniel and you're watching my channel Kitex. So today we're going to taking a look at how you can download videos using a Pafy. So to download these videos, let's actually go over here. So to download them, this is the article I found. It's one of Geeks of Geeks. The link of this will be in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. So the first thing you need to download is this. So to do that, let me open this up, and you can just do pip install, and then you can do virtual and then virtual env. You don't have to type venv, I think, so you only need to install virtual env, and you don't need the second L. So virtual env, and I got my it's already a requirement already satisfied, and then you also install Pafy. Now you also need to install YouTube DL. I don't know if you need to, but for me it didn't work if I didn't install YouTube DL. So you also need to download YouTube DL. So this is the code here, but to download it, it's right here. So just copy this code. So I'll explain. So copy the code, and you can see code copied, and we can, for example, go to any video that we want. So for now we'll open this, and as you can see, if I just replace that, it's the same thing. So there we go. You don't have to change any code, and all you have to do is to take this URL, and then what you can do is that you can let's say change the URL. So let's go all the way down to everything, and let's put this, for example. You can save that up, and you can do this, and that should download the video. So yeah, as you can see, the video has been downloaded. So as you can see, it's the shortest video on YouTube. You can see it's right over here. So if I run this file, as you can see, it tells the video. Okay, wait, let me run this again. Okay, so now what we can do is open the file again and go to data, and now we'll load this up again. So okay, so I think there's a problem with the URL, but let me try to change this to the normal URL that was before. And now if you run the file, it should still work. So yeah, now it worked. And for the video that was literally the main video. As you can see, the URL was the same, I think. Yeah, so if I go over here, and yeah, I can see that it downloads the video perfectly. Yeah, so there might be a problem. Oh no, okay. Okay, so the shortest video also down, so there's no problem. Okay, so I'll delete that. It's fine. So it works perfectly. As you can see, even the video was downloaded over here. I just ran it over here because I think this was for my other test. So that is going to be the end for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. All this code will be in the link in the description box below, but you don't need, because I'll give you this this link, which will be in the description box below. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one, and bye bye.